Welcome to my CreditFixPro review. I'll share my experience and insights to help you decide if it's the right credit repair tool for you. Check the description for links. CreditFixPro is a powerful platform designed to boost credit scores and fix credit report errors. It combines automated tools, expert resources, and personalized advice for easy credit repair. Its AI-driven analysis scans your report for inaccuracies, unverifiable items, and negative entries, ensuring nothing is missed. It then simplifies disputes with custom templates and clear instructions for submitting to credit bureaus. Real-time credit monitoring keeps you informed of changes, catching errors or unauthorized activity early. Personalized progress tracking measures your improvement over time. CreditFixPro also provides financial education, including articles, videos, and expert advice, covering topics like managing credit utilization, reducing debt, and maintaining financial health. It's a cost-effective alternative to traditional credit repair services, perfect for those wanting control without expensive agencies. Its user-friendly interface and robust features make it a top choice for proactive credit management. CreditFixPro is a reliable and efficient platform for anyone serious about improving their credit score. Ready to take control of your credit and financial future? Check the links below and get started today.